In this video, I'm going to teach you the best Duolingo alternatives in 2025. So did you know that there are better apps rather than Duolingo for language learning? The answer is yes. As you can see, I have in here the first one, which is Busuu.com. So you can actually install this onto your phone and you can choose in here which language you would like to use. So Vusu actually having here the notifications as well as interactive community that can help you to learn better and learn together with confidence and for real life since you should be able to actually talk with people and get instant feedback for lasting confidence. Second on our list is Pimsleur. So with Pimsleur, you can get conversational quickly with them. You can have 30-minute lessons so you can take anywhere or do at home with Alexa. It also have reading lessons, AI voice coach, digital flashcards, and speak easy, as well as all of these options like speed round game, challenges, uninterrupted learning, light bulb moments, and build your streaks. So with this, you can speak like a native and read with confidence. So next on our list is Lingo Deer. So with this, you can reward yourself with fluency and mastery. You can learn a lot of language displayed right here. You can learn Thai, Hindi, Ukrainian, and it have this expert curriculum, detailed explanations, effective learning, HD audios, and engaging stories. So this is what their apps look like, so you can head over and download them on App Store or Google Play. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.